So we mentioned it a little bit before, but now we're going to go more in depth into how to schedule posts. This is one of the secrets that a lot of people don't know about, and it can be super helpful as you're trying to create more posts and build an audience and create more quality content for people who follow your page. And again, content is the core of what makes Facebook such a great platform, as you can show your presence online and in the community by regularly creating high value posts. But the problem with that is if we do it each day like we should be doing, it can take a lot of time to create our posts, type them out, make sure there are no typos, and have them ready to post. And as we start, stop each day, doing that, it can add a lot of time onto our schedules. So to avoid that, we can actually create scheduled posts where we can do a lot of we can front load the work and create a multitude of posts and then have them actually scheduled to post at a different time. So it's a very helpful feature. It's one of the social media marketing secrets that not a lot of people know about. So to do that, we're going to go to our page and go to Publishing Tools. Now, once we get that loaded up, we can have the option to create posts, just like on our home screen. And it's very simple, very direct to do it that way. And to schedule posts, we can go down to the Schedule Post button, and we can press Create. Now we're hit with the same setup as we are for a normal post. We can create a post, event, job. We can do any of that. And so we can put in, again, just an arbitrary name for a post. Cherry Tree Lane listing. Again, and so we can add all the same features as we can before. Photo, video, check-in, a feeling. We can add it as a milestone. We can get messages with it. All the same features that we had before for our posts. But the difference is now we can actually schedule it. So we do have the option to publish it straight to our page here. But the beauty of the Scheduled Post tab is you can schedule it by clicking on the Schedule button and then creating a date and time for when you want your post to go live. So when you post it like this, by the time that the deadline comes around, Facebook will automatically publish your post as if you had just posted it. So it's a very, very great way to save time and create high quality posts without skipping on any of the detail. So you can do 5, 10, even 20 if you wanted, different articles or different updates that you may have while you're trying to create an authority in the real estate field and in your city. You can create a bunch of posts at one time and then have them scheduled to go one a day or 2 a day, just to keep on giving your followers that high quality content that they want. So we can schedule this one for Wednesday at, let's say, 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. And distribution schedule. Yeah, so we're not going to have a stop newsfeed distribution, so we want it to just go like a normal post. And we can press schedule. And once we have it uploaded and published, we will have it ready to go on January 9th at 4 p.m.